I'd like to tell you about a great Web 2.0 tool called Jing. Jing lets you capture and share images and videos instantly and all for free. To get Jing, go to jingproject.com and download it. Once you've downloaded it, on your screen up will be placed a little sun at the top here. Once you hover your mouse over the sun, 3 buttons will appear: Capture, History, and then More. Let me show you the Capture button. Click on Capture, and when you do, crosshairs come up. You can move the crosshairs anywhere on your screen to determine what part of your screen you'd like to capture. If you want the full screen, just put your crosshairs in the center and click on it. Once you've clicked on your selection, a little toolbar will come up down on the bottom left here. You can capture a video or you can capture an image. Let me show you first about capturing an image. All you have to do is click Capture Image, and it'll take a screenshot. Then it'll give you a preview of your screenshot. You can add tools using this toolbar up here on the top left. So if you wanted to add an arrow to emphasize something on your screenshot, you could click an arrow. Like, let's say I wanted to highlight my research tools. I could also add text by clicking on this T and then place it wherever I'd like to on my screen capture. And I can never talk and type at the same time. That's why I was so quiet. Anyway, you can add, change your font, change your color. You can frame your text or unframe it if I wanted to. I can highlight it and so forth. If you're happy with your screenshot, you just go down below and you can either save it or copy it and paste it somewhere else, or you can share it. And you can share it by using screencast.com. You can create a free account. This marries well with Jing. Screencast.com is a free storage tool that lets you store up to 2 gigabytes. So it's very handy to have. And from there you can get a URL, or you can embed something as an HTML and so forth. So that's as simple as it is for capturing your screen. Let me X out of here and show you how to capture a video using Jing. Again, go to the little sun at the top, click on the Capture button, point your crosshairs where you like them to be. So I'll have my full screen here and I'll click in the center. Go back down to this little toolbar on the bottom left and click on Capture Video. It'll give you a countdown before your video starts. And you can just start talking, and you can move around your website. You can do all sorts of things. You can click and hyperlink and explain applications. These are all my research links. This is using Glogster, which is a great interactive tool I've been telling you about how to poster yourself. So once your video is complete, then you just go back down to the toolbar here and press stop. So let me get the toolbar, okay, and press stop. And then in a few seconds your video will be downloaded that you can see a preview. And the strange thing about this is I am creating this video using Camtasia because I can't make a video of Jing within Jing. It's sort of like mirrors within mirrors. I've noticed when I click on this play button, it won't play Jing through Camtasia, so it just sort of disappears. So pretend that it's worked, and it will work very easily if you're not recording within the recording. But if you're happy with the preview and you like it, then you can go down here and you can either save it or you can share it. And again, you can share on screencast.com. So let me see how this works within Camtasia. It's uploading, and it should give you a URL that you can copy and paste and share. Again, this is a little strange that I'm recording within a recording, so it doesn't really work as it would if you were just using Jing alone. I would really recommend it. Jing is free. Camtasia is actually a cost. You can have a 30-day free preview, but after that you do have to pay for Camtasia. So I would recommend Jing. And again, it's not quite working for the screencast. But great tool, jingproject.com, and just check it out. Thanks a lot.